sharing how to make this simple popcorn garland. This is what we always used on our Christmas tree growing up. My mom made quite a few strands to use on the tree and saved it from year to year to keep reusing. I love the nostalgic feel it brings, and it's a pretty cheap garland to make. You'll need plain popcorn for this, no salt and no butter. Using a hot air popcorn popper works really well for this, and I've linked ours below. My son got this for his birthday a few years ago, and it's held up well for us, and it's fairly cheap. And a healthier way to make popcorn too, so it's definitely a good purchase. I made 2 large bowls of popcorn to start. How much you need will depend on how long your garlands are. I made this the night before I was going to string the garlands. Stale popcorn goes on a little easier, it's less likely to break. So I just left it out overnight after popping it. For string, there's a few options. I read about using floss, so I wanted to try that way. It's sturdy and a little bit waxy, so the popcorn slides on it nicely. You can also just use regular thread, that's what my mom used, and she didn't even double hers, just threaded it on single strand. If you want a little bit thicker of a thread, you can use denim thread, which I use some of that as well. You just don't want to use anything too thick as the popcorn pieces are smaller, so a thinner string is better. You'll also need a needle, and I liked using a pretty basic size needle best. I didn't like using my bigger needle size that I sometimes use for projects like this. The needle was bigger than the thread and floss, so it left a bigger size hole in the popcorn, causing the popcorn to slide too much on the thread. Then you're just going to thread your floss or thread through the needle and start stringing the popcorn on. This is a great project to do while watching Christmas movies and enjoying a little Christmas treat. I keep the end of my floss or thread connected, and then I just keep sliding the popcorn down every now and then. Once it's the length you want, tie a double or triple knot at the end so the popcorn doesn't slide off. You can also add loops at the ends for hanging the garland. And that's it, a simple, easy garland to decorate with. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can save and reuse the garland from year to year. My mom always kept hers in a metal tin and used it probably a good 15 to 20 years. I can remember pulling it out every year and putting it on the tree. So save it to reuse if you'd like. It will hold up if it's stored correctly.